Today there are 10 super new tips, tricks and hidden features for Galaxy S10 and we're starting right now. If you like unboxing, review and comparison, subscribe now. Normally if you swipe up or down on home screen, you will see the apps page. Now you can make it home screen only. So when you swipe up or down, you will not see all apps as before. Because if you slide right, you will see they're added to your home screen already. Or you can make your screen more functional, like when you swipe down your home screen, you will see notifications panel. And when you swipe up your screen, you will see apps page. Go to settings, then display, then home screen layout, then select home screen only, then tap apply. Now if you swipe up or down, you will not see all apps. But if you go slide right, your apps are there. From home screen, if you turn on quick open notification panel, then go back to your home screen. Now swipe down, you will see the notification panel, and swipe up, you will see app screen. Normally, you see the navigation bar button order, recent apps button, then home screen, then back button. Now you can change them in opposite direction, or there will be only hints of buttons, and you can even completely hide them. Go to settings, then display, scroll down, then navigation bar. Now if you tap here, see button order has been changed in opposite direction. Now if you select full screen gesture, see only hints for back, home and recent keys are there. If you turn off gesture hints, now all buttons are invisible. Now swipe up to go back, home screen and for recent actions. Now if you want, your phone screen will flash when there is any incoming call or notification or alarms, or you can turn on camera flash for incoming calls, notifications and alarms. Even you can turn on both screen flash as well as camera flash. Go to settings, then accessibility, then advanced settings, then flash notification, then turn on camera flash or screen flash or turn on both. If you go to Apps Edge, you will see there are some default apps and one app pair internet browser with Samsung Note. If you tap on Edit, there is an option Create App Pair. Tap on that. Now two apps that you use together, select like Facebook and YouTube. Now tap Done. Your new app pair is ready on Apps Edge. On the same way, you can customize more. When you tap on your locked screen, you see the time and date. Now you can change the clock style like this, or you can set the calendar, or you can even put a GIF like this, and then you can change the color of time and date. To do all this, go to settings, then lock screen, then always on display, then go to settings, then choose what you want. If you want a GIF for always on display, tap here. Then you can change the GIF, tap here. Then select which you want. Then tap on color to change the color. Select your desired color. And you can even download new GIF. Tap here. Then choose from featured or top. Some are free like here. And most of them are paid. Then you can download them. Then tap done. Screen off. Then tap on the screen. See now. If you go back and select clock style, then go for lock screen. In the same way, you can choose clock style. Change the color. But here, download option, GIF and calendar are not available. Now tap done, then screen off. Then press power button or double tap on the screen. See, your display is set. I will tell you something new about this tip that no one has told you yet. Did you notice? When you get a notification while your screen is off, if you tap here, it doesn't work. But if your screen is on, when you tap, it takes you directly to the app, like here. The main reason is when your screen is off, you have to tap twice to open the notification on app. Two more things you can do with notification when your screen is on. You can swipe down quickly to open in pop-up and slide right or left to dismiss the notification. You can change the effect, you can change the color or even more color, and when you go to custom color, you can manage your notification for which apps you want edge lighting notification, and you can select all. Generally, they all have different colors for notification, but you can customize different color for different app. Another thing, even though the color of edge lighting for message is blue, but it lights up yellow when I get notification from Haseen. Here it is the notification title content. I was talking about it in the beginning that I will tell you something new. See, edge lighting notification color is blue for messages. But if you write something here and add, then the color you choose will light up regardless color of the app. If that word is in notification title content, you can edit, tap on the word. You can remove it, tap on the minus. Make the edge light transparent, make it wide, and change the duration short to long. Go to settings, then display, then edge screen, then edge lighting, then edge lighting style. Now you can change the effect, color, transparency, width and duration of edge lighting. Normally folders color is like this, but now you can customize them like red, yellow or any other color. You can make the folder color even transparent like this, and this is very easy to customize. You see, this is Google folder. Now beside Google, you will see one big dot. Tap there. Now you can select any color from here. Now to make your folder transparent, see there are two lines here. Change the second line's dots from here to there and go back. See, your folder is transparent now. See, normally this edge panel handle color is gray. Now you can change it to red, green or any other color you want. You can make this handle transparent and you can make this handle large. Go to apps edge, then go to settings, then tap on three dots at right top corner, then edge panel handle. Now you can change the color from here or you can go for more color. Tap here, tap anywhere, then done. Change the position low to high to make the handle transparent and make the handle small to large. Now you can use your keyboard with high contrast like yellow, black, black and blue. To enable high contrast keyboard, go to settings, then accessibility, then visibility enhancement, then high contrast keyboard, then turn on. Now choose which keyboard you want to use. Now you can add a color filter over the entire screen like blue, green, red and some other colors. From settings, go to accessibility, then visibility enhancement, then color lens. Now turn on. Now choose the color which one you want. These are the all colors. Then adjust opacity. Now go to home screen. See whole screen filtered with your selected color.